Egg number 1. The bird's egg. Very long ago, there used to be a sky, grass, cities. At this time, creatures known as birds traveled the sky. Creatures of freedom, creatures of beauty. The fracture has taken their freedom all the way. Doors, ceilings, walls, an insult to their gracious nature. And then came the bird egg. Around it grew a land for them, a land without a sky, but still an imitation of their previous living space. The birds, called by the egg, flew to this place and adapted, transformed into creatures, new creatures. They wish not to be disturbed anymore. They worship their egg, their savior, taking it away won't take their land of freedom away, but they will protect it at any cost.